all this frustration, hey, comes beating on your door. No, I'm a prisoner to all my father's holding. No, I am a hostage to all his hopes and fears. I just wish that I could have told him in the living years. Yallahs may sing my song, sing I want you to say it clear. Listen as you hear. Oh gosh, 'cause it's still rain when we die. Too badly we don't see eye to eye. Go to the next one. What remember if you want. There's a matter of the finger, don't you? Drop it, man. Drop it. If you want someone to play with, don't find yourself aside. Baby, my time is too expensive, yes. And I'm not your little boy. Ooh. If you are serious, don't play with my heart, makes me furious. But if you want me to love you, baby, I will. Baby, come on, here, come on. Don't be ashamed, let your conscience be a guide. No, deep down inside, I believe you love me. Don't forget your foolish pride. Don't lie to me. Thanks God, you know, so let's touch them. Now, remember the big show that says, hey, some people search a lifetime, but never seem to find happiness and peace of mind. Thank you for loving me. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Sing for my ladies. Some people search a lifetime, but never seem to find happiness and peace of mind. Thank you for loving me. Through my ins and outs, my ups and downs, you still got me. Oh baby, thank you for loving me. Give me the next one. I want to punch over here. A long time when I sing the last song. That one your name. Cameron is a loving tonight. Cameron is just Cameron. Alright, hold on. Send them, I see one now. You know, say a long time. Just sing a new tune and I'm here say it go on good, because we just forward it this morning. I'm here say boy it go on good, so I'm going to test it and see what I go. Jump! Baby, oh God, this is love you sweet, yeah. I know you can. Give me a second. know you can't get enough, can't get enough as it's sweet, yeah. I believe you. Your mama don't like me, your father don't want me around. They can't understand why the hell you like this boy from downtown. As it's sweet, yeah. You know we love every time I say so much love and blessing, and I'm going to have to big up myself finally from my whole team.